Hello, my friends, Stephanie Bernard and Cookie Bernard for the Stamps of Life. Cookie is with us today while we're taping, and she wanted to say hello to you all. Now, I know she looks kind of hairy. That is true. Don't tell her, but she's getting that taken care of tomorrow. So she's gonna have an all new hairdo tomorrow, but don't tell her, okay? And she just wanted to say hello, huh? You wanna say hi? Give me a kiss? Oh, there was just a little kiss, real kiss. She's my baby. She's not feeling well, but she should be getting better soon, huh? Yeah. So she's gonna be here. She's just hanging out, and she just wanted to say hi to everybody. So say, hi everybody. Hi everybody. Thank you for buying my mommy stamps. Huh? Can I have a kiss? Bye-bye. Kiss. Kiss. Mwah. I love her. Oh, I'm always worried I'm going to squeeze her too hard. So I have to be careful when I don't squeeze her too hard. Okay, you go downstairs. You go down here, okay? Go get in your bed. Go get in your bed. Go get in your bed. She's acting like an old lady, so we're a little concerned. Anyway, are you ready for this? Okay, I'm really excited. I have 3 items to share with you today. And one is not a redesign, because it's not a redesign, it's the same you might already have. If you don't have it, it's back by popular demand. I designed it for the other company, and now they have retired it, so now I get to release it through my company. And I couldn't decide if we were going to release it or if we were just going to let it be retired, but we've gotten so many requests for it. Like every time we're at an expo, people ask for this one, so I said, okay, we'll do it. And what is it? It is my Flower Power background. Now, the Flower Power background did come out originally, so you might already have it, which if you do, you're like, whoo, good, I already got that one, which is really fun. But when you see what it looks like when it's cut out, you're gonna go, oh, I need that one if you don't have it. The other one is, and don't look at the packaging because I couldn't find it, but this is the faux packaging. It is a Fold It card, brand new. Club members, of course, you get the club discount on this. And it is, look at this. Whoa! It makes a Fold It. And of course, it fits in an A2 size envelope. Yes. And I have lots of samples to share with you on that one. Last but not least is more drop-in words. I know we're all loving the drop-in words. And what's funny is, this one says friend and this one says thanks. When I sent these to my design team, they did not have, this has 4 dies in it. My design team only got 2 dies because originally I said, oh, it was like the hello and celebrate. I wasn't going to have the extra die in there, and I'm like, you know what? My people need that extra die for each one. So I included that in your copy. So my design team doesn't have it, but you will, which is exciting. Now look at my desk. My desk is full of samples, which is so much fun. If I go too fast on any of these, don't worry, you can go to our online gallery on our website. Every product has a gallery, and go click on that and you can print it out, you can look at it, you can stare at it, you can blow it up, you can see it up close and personal. But there is an example of the Flower Power background. Now, the Flower Power background is very, very dye intensive, meaning there's a lot of dye blade in it. You're probably going to want to run this through once or twice or 3 times, just saying, okay? Now, oh my word, look how beautiful that is. Make your own backgrounds. It's fantastic. Oh, even put it as a background for the lighthouse. So much fun. Now, I don't know why I have this one here. I actually accidentally added an extra one in there. I don't know why. So that is the Flower Power background. Now, let's look at the friend and the thanks drop-in. So here it is with the star background. Look at this. And I want you to see, here it is using the rectangle stitched one. Here is a friend. Now, actually, let's do something fun, because I want you to see how many different ways you can do the word friend. So we have that friend, we have this friend, we have this friend, and I'm going to run out of hands, obviously. Those are thanks. And here's another friend with pattern paper in the back. So there's 4 friend options. Awesome, right? Now, let's move on to the thanks that's also in the kit. Oh, here's with our flower background, mix and match. Look at that. Here's another one. Look at that. Here's another one with a bigger bottom, which is nice, cut out. Here's one cut out of our gatefold card. Isn't that fun? See, it fits perfectly. It also just, oh, and it says friend on the other side. Thanks, friend. Isn't that cute? Now, just a heads up on this also, these fit on the inside of our envelope liner dies. So if you have the envelope liner dies, you can have it say thanks on the inside, which would be really fun, wouldn't it? Look, I have so many samples, I can't even hold them all. Okay, here's another one with thanks, and here's another one with thanks. So easy peasy and so fun. So that is the thanks ones. Now let's look at the flower one. Now I have a ton of, first of all, look at this one. Goes perfect with our club set and dies. So it has the pineapple here, it has our tropical leaf there. It just looks gorgeous. Now, of course, it fits in an A2 size envelope, so you can make it a card if you want to, or more like a gift tag, even though it will fit in an A2 size envelope. Look at this with our little animals. Isn't that cute? Oh, or we could do a happy Easter if we wanted. Or we could do a sewing around it because it does have those little dots all the way around. See how it has the dots all the way around? So you can do sewing around it if you want. Here's a cute one that says blessed. Oh, look how cute this one. Oh, look how cute this one is. I hadn't seen that one yet. Oh, with the little sun. They're so easy and fun. Now, I really see this one as with a hole punched in it and put it as a gift tag on a gift bag. Just buy an ugly, boring gift bag that's one color and decorate your own gift bag with a pretty tag, which, you know, save yourself a ton of money because those gift bags get expensive. Now, I have some fun ones. Oh, here's one with just a little, little paper cut out of it. And, oh, thank you, big circle center. Oh, here's one with our bees. Our bee set is so dang popular. So cute. Now, I got to see, oh, here's one with the little ladybug. I got to see Catherine in real life the other day in Atlanta, and she gave me these. So let's do this one. These are made out of our wool felt, because our dies do cut wool felt. She's sewn around this, and this one says fall. Isn't that awesome? With our Newport dies, Newport alphabet dies. So cute. Isn't that precious? And then this one says happy. So yes, our dies will make die cuts. Look at, oh gosh, look, oh, no. I need like 6 arms here. Okay, hang on. Let's fix this because it's worth the wait. Look at how beautiful this is. Happy. Isn't that adorable? I love it. It's so cute. Can you imagine decorating your child's door, your grandchild's door when it's their birthday or something like that with something like this, or even putting this on their headboard? So much fun. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? Christmas? Get on with it. You can be in the club for as little as $11.95 a month. And then you're getting a stamp set each month and a 15% discount anytime you buy anything on our website. What do you have to lose, right? The monthly commitment's only 3 months. So if you're unhappy after 3 months, you can cancel it anytime. But you know what? I'll tell you a secret. You're going to love it. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.